welcome to the new day of Nature Art Journaling program. In last few days, you have been connecting to nature and you must have had some moments of awe, isn't it? So today is the day. The prompt is this. You have to express that feeling in the form of colors and drawing in your journal. Have a small conversation with your children. I'm sure they will have many more moments of awe than you because they're so natural. They don't have any upper layers. They're still growing with, and we need to stop them growing with their layers. So, speak with them. And both of you or the whole family together, sit together and draw those moments. It can be in form of flows, it can be in form of spirals, it can be in form of the beautiful flowers, it can be any movement what you love to draw. Just flow with it. Capture these small moments. These moments are to be cherished.